Hello, this is Solomon. I'm here to explain about operating system. So, in operating system application, I have chosen one problem so where it can be solved and make it better. So, normally we see operating system everywhere. So, first let me explain how this operating system is going to work. So, firstly, operating system itself we get an idea of working in the PC or working in some laptop or desktop, or it may be of Windows, it may be of Linux, it may be of Mac OS or anything. So normally first when we check, previously we used to have different computers, different devices, and different software. So for example, if we take the case of a first computer, first software, and first device, this first software does not fix in the second device or third device or third computer or second computer. So different computers used to have different programming softwares. So to solve this, they came to a conclusion called operating system, which gives an result of binary values. So this contains, which gives output for every device and every computer. So first it will be taking from the user, application, operating system, and hardware. So these are all the process. So first hardware outside, operating system inside, application, and then users. So this is like operating system. So the problem what I have chosen is about ATM. So 70% of Indians ATMs are being run using Windows XP. So that is the very older version of Windows. So what is happening here? So the data is not being secure. It's not, it's kind of the data is flowing, such as pin codes or whatever. So in this, the information need to be more secured. So as per the Indian government says, 70% of the ATMs of India has been running through Windows XP. So now we have a latest version of Windows 11. So the banks need to keep on updating their softwares. So what happens? So let me give an example which happened uh, in my life. So when in previous days when we used to go to ATM, so when we insert our card, it need to be there. It need to be there like till 3 seconds, and we used to remove the card. So when we remove the card, then the process is gonna be like, from savings we need to enter our pin code, then we need to enter the amount, so we are gonna get the amount. So once what happened, it's like, I did not check the complete statement. So after taking the transaction, there was an option called, do you want to continue or exit? So I did not cancel it. So I went off. Some other guys like, they entered continue without pin code. They took the money. So when we claimed to the bank, they said it's impossible to get the money. So now the government came to little updated version, as if we keep an ATM card inside that, after our transaction only we are going to get our card back. So until that we are not going to get our card back. So after taking out the card from the ATM machine, your transaction is completely closed. So this operating system has been updated past 6 months or 1 year back. So this would be better if would have they updated very longer. Or now Windows 11 came, so they need to keep on updating. So this is the software operating system issue, what they are facing in ATMs. So they need to do multitasking, like, when I have transacted, the money need to go come outside, and I need to get a message to my phone that money has been debited, and the amount need to be deducted in my account. All these things need to be done together. So this operating system need to update more much better in India. So this is about my problem of operating system what I have used. So thank you everyone for listening. I hope you understood this problem on operating system.